Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you about our new airboat Nerpa 450B, which is made on the basis of the inflatable boat Flagman 450 DK Air. The manufacturer of this boat is the Flagman company from St. Petersburg. Why did we choose them? Because they use a very good PVC fabric with a density of 1100 grams per square meter that is much stronger and more reliable than other manufacturers. Our standard technologies are applied here. This is a power frame that is made of aluminum pipes, on which all other elements are attached: aerial unit, seats, a steering console with a panel, and, most importantly, plastic protection. The plastic is fastened with bolts. This design is reusable. You can always unscrew the plastic and screw it back on the same bolts in the same holes. The advantage of this airboat in comparison with other of the same type is that there is no protection in the form of scales, because scales are a problematic part in all such airboats. For example, in such weather as now, when an airboat with protection in the form of scales moves through soft, loose snow, it clogs between the scales. They spread wide and prevent the boat from moving. It is good when the boat is small and light, then you can turn it over and clean it all with your hands. But when the boat is big like this one, 4.5 meters in length and weighing 480 kilograms, it is clear that it will be impossible to turn it over and clean it yourself. Here protective sheets are used, which fit very tightly. By what method is this achieved? Due to the fact that the inflated balloons and the bottom rest against the frame and protective plastic sheets. So there is no gap, so nothing can get there, no snow, no sand or stones. Here a visor and a bow awning are also used by the Flagman company. The aluminum console is also attached to the frame, so nothing is loose-fitting and hanging here. Everything is very strong and reliable. The seats also do not jump, since they are not fixed to the floor but to the frame, so everything here stands firmly. This boat has an awning. There is a gas tank under this awning. And there is a place here where you can store various items. It is equipped with 16-valve 100-horsepower gasoline car engine. This is a modern engine, good quality, factory-made. It runs at low revs. I was driving about 30 or 40 kilometers per hour in the snow at only 2000 and a half RPM. These are very low revs for an airboat. If you give full throttle, then you can, of course, accelerate to insane speed. On such a boat, it is necessary to have brakes in your head. Otherwise, you can crash badly due to very high speed. The power-to-weight ratio of the boat is less than 1:2. That is, the thrust here is 280 kilograms and the weight is 480 kilograms. I would also like to note that the air unit is made of a steel profile. This steel frame, in which the engine is installed, is fixed to the main frame through shock-absorbing cushions. The engine is at the bottom. Basically, in all airboats, the engine is located at the top, so they have a rather high center of gravity. Here, due to the belt drive, the engine is at the bottom, and this provides good stability. A toothed belt transmission is used here. First, there is an elastic coupling, which compensates for vibration and misalignment of the belt reducer. Then the force goes through the belt to the upper pulley and transmits the torque to the propeller. This is a carbon fiber propeller. We mainly use two-bladed ones, but this boat is equipped with three-bladed one due to the customer's desire, but the best thrust is on a two-bladed propeller. The air rudders are made of aluminum. There are 4 of them. With 4 rudders, all boats show themselves very well in handling. They react immediately at the slightest deviation of the rudders. Even at the low revs, it steers well. A boat-type steering rope is used here. with rubber protection and silent blocks. This protects the rope from moisture and snow, so that it doesn't freeze and get stuck. There is a car battery here. Another advantage of this engine is the presence of a full-fledged generator. This engine starts well in low temperatures, and at low speeds at 2500–3000 RPM, its resource will last for a long time. We install special seats here, which are designed for use in boats. The standard color scheme is gray and blue for the front and rear seats, but here the customer wanted the front seat to be camouflage, so we put it in camouflage. But usually the seats have the same color. The seats recline like this. There is a locker. You can access here in principle if you wish. The front seat also reclines and adjusts back and forth. A car dashboard is installed here. The speedometer receives data from a GPS sensor. And there is also a tachometer. That red switch is a main power switch. And there is also an engine hour meter installed separately. We use waterproof bolt-type switches here for the headlights, engine start, and this is a signal loudspeaker system with a horn. There is also a plate which indicates the boat number, date of issue and all the other characteristics. The Airboat must be registered with the state inspection of small vessels, and we provide a full package of documents: registration certificate, operating manual and sales contract. Many are interested in the draft of the Airboat in the snow, how much it sinks into soft snow. It is better to look at it from the stern side. The snow is loose and soft, but here it is 4 centimeters, perhaps 5 centimeters on the other side. That is, the sediment is minimal. The boat is quite light. Although it weighs 480 kilograms, it can be moved by one person. It glides on snow and it's easy to do. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel, like, ask questions. We will try to answer everything. Bye, everyone!